So I've gone and done it again. I got another RC and I'm going to unbox it on this episode of
No Pros RC.
Alright guys, so I got a TRX4M. I think this is like the little version of the bigger one. It is 1/18 scale. This is a F-150 Ranger XLT, and the only color they had left was the doo-doo brown one. Dollar Hobbies, I believe. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Let's just go ahead and unbox it. Coming out the box, you got some instructions, the model number and all that good stuff. TRAXXAS does give you some tools, so let's unbox Dookie here. Let's get her to freedom. Nice.
A few moments later.
So from out of the box, as you can see, we have the truck itself, the F-150 Ranger. A good amount of detail on the tires here. I love these polished aluminum rims. That looks very authentic. These are Mickey Thompson tires, and what I'm thinking about doing is eventually painting these white, you know, the letters, so it can stand out. You can see the tread pattern on there looks awesome. Very good attention to detail. You got your bar in the bed here. It does have some lights up here, but they do not function. Now what actually does function is the two headlights right here. These two are wired up. No blinkers, they don't work. Probably need some blinker fluid in there. Got the TRAXXAS TRX4 logo on the license plate here. The grill looks very aggressive. Love the aggressive look of this Ford grill. You got the Ford logo going across here on top. The shocks are good, not too stiff. Overall, even with the color, I wanted black, but even with this color, this is a very good looking truck. Turning it to the rear, on the tailgate, you got the Ford logo going across the tailgate, chrome accents around the tail lights. I'm not sure if these tail lights light up red or not, but we'll find out soon. I don't think they do, but again, you can see the axle and the back here. Very nice looking, clean looking truck, and I like how it's lifted. To charge this guy, a USB charger, this guy right here. This battery is a 2S LiPo. This is something I haven't seen from TRAXXAS before, so this is new to me. And here we have the TRAXXAS power cell, 750 milliamp battery, 7.4 volts. You get your controller. This guy is ready to run out of the box. And one other unique thing that I like about this, so for example, the axle here, you have clips to get the body off, which is fine, and then it just pops open like so. And this axle is a smaller scale compared to the 1/18 scale F-150, but to get this body off, there is a clip here and a clip here, and you just press these two like so, and boom, the body comes off. And while we got the body off, as you can see that, yes, it's only wired for lights in the front, not the tail lights. Bummer, but at least we get some kind of light. Here's a look under the chassis. Everything under here is plastic, so I'm sure they have upgrades for this F-150 from TRAXXAS out there somewhere. I just haven't discovered it yet because this is my first time owning this RC. Here you have the Titan 180 817 motor. Your battery goes here. This is a rubber holder. Just unclip it like that. Battery goes in there, and then you just tie it down like so. Easy peasy. Let's see if she powers on. Well, connecting the battery would help. Got a little juice in here. And this is the type of connector. I'm not going to put the body on. I'm just going to give you guys a demonstration of what it looks like lit. And let's turn off some lights here so you can get a better POV. Let there not be light. And that is awesome. Now that is bright enough where it looks like the signal lights looks like they are lit too. Oh my gosh, the attention to detail here on this guy, on this F-150 is just absolutely brilliant. Way to go, TRAXXAS. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like this new TRAXXAS TRX4M that I just acquired. Share this video out for other RC enthusiasts to check out. And we're going to get this on the trail ASAP, so stay tuned for that. Coming up here soon in one of our future videos. And as always, thank you guys so very much for taking your valuable time watching our videos. We do appreciate it. But don't just watch. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's totally free and it costs you nothing. Appreciate that support. And as always, y'all be easy. Till the next video. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.